All right, 73 MGB. It's been sitting for several years. All these parts were inside it. We had a tarp on it. Now we're gonna try to get it running with Derek's help and with Alvin's help. And it's been actually put in primer. All the body work that was needed was already done. And here we are. So it looks like a bit of a mess right now, but we'll get it organized and situated and give it a try. Okay, so we've been working hard. The trunk emptied out. Looks good in there. Just a lot of debris everywhere. Different colors going on. I'm not sure if that door, looks like that door there was originally blue. So I don't know, who knows what, but here we are. It's all cleaned out. Maybe we'll vacuum that in just a second. Here's what it looks like. We have a new interior kit, although that upholstery actually probably would work. Here's the other seat. A lot of bits and pieces. So we're gonna go through this and get this organized. And in the meantime, Derek pulled the cover off the battery compartment. He's starting to dig into the carbs, it looks like.
Everything sort of moves. Pistons go up and down, and the throttle moves. Even the choke moves. So we'll see.
All right. And it's been probably 5 years since I heard it running.
Suppose it had a radiator in it then?
Yeah, good point.
We can run it without the radiator.
Yeah, you can run it for just a moment. We needed a few parts, so in the meantime, Derek removed the plugs. How do they look? They look new, fairly new.
Yeah, they don't look bad.
They don't look bad at all. Put some, what'd you put in there? Mystery oil in the cylinders?
Oh, I have some ATF.
Some ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Motor turns over pretty easily by hand.
Yeah.
Yep.
Check that out. Turns really easily.
All right. Here's the battery. We just bought some cables. We're gonna connect that. And a fuel pump. Let's take a look at that fuel pump here. Hold on. Do we have any juice? I hear something.
Yeah, but it's not. I think the battery's not good.
All right. Plan F. The battery was supposed to be charged.
Yeah, it's not very.
Not that bright.
No. So we can either.
Not very fast. No, but it is spinning the engine.
Yeah.